Hey, what's up, broskies? Welcome back to part 2 of building a roll cage for the 350Z. Check it out. We have our base plates already mounted. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. And then right now we started doing our main hoop. It's already done. We just gotta chop this leg off, and then we'll mock it up and see how it fits. But if you guys are new here, please hit that subscribe button and join the broskies. Ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, dun, 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 dun. Need help? Ba, 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 ba. Oh shit, it's too wide.
A little bit shorter, no, a little bit shorter and it's gonna be nice and snug.
Vale verga.
Nah.
Think it's too good?
Yeah, it's fine. We'll see it from your side. Let's see what...
Oh yeah, so just chop the little legs a little. It's actually fucking snug, bro. Anyway. Yeah. That's just gonna be fucking tight ass fit. Chingona, güey. Nah, I say let's cut it a little bit, like trim it a little bit, like half an inch, okay?
Well, yeah, let's do that.
And then we'll try it again. Chingon, trial and error, broskies. Trial and error. Ahí te va.
I got it.
Alright guys, with a little bit of trimming and a little bit of help from God, we got this to fit fucking snug. Check it out. Damn, no mames, way tighter than your ex. Christian, tighter than your ex? he said yeah. Check that shit out. No mames, pásate de lanza. So yeah, that's like the hardest part, like when building a roll bar. The main hoop is always like the critical part, but we got it. All right, broskies, I'm gonna be giving you guys updates on the video. Updates. Roll bar is welded on. We got one kicker on. It's almost done. See or no?
Yeah.
And then right now, let me show you guys what I'm doing. So right now what I'm doing is I'm prepping the side kickers. I'm notching the kickers. Check it out. I have it set up to, let's see, I think it's 15 degrees notch. And then I'll show you real quick. Basically I'm gonna set it up right here. I'm gonna tighten this bitch up. And then agárrense, compas. Let's throw some salivita right here real quick. Check out that beautiful notch. And it's ready. Listo, Chris?
I think we'll probably have it. I started doing it again, so I think we'll probably have enough to tack that one.
Fuck. Let me go ask the neighbor real quick. Alright, broski, so we have a situation. We are running out of gas. Valió madre. It's not welding right. Luckily, my neighbor, you guys see that car? He sells the gas, so I'm gonna go right now. Hopefully he comes through with the tank. Hopefully he has one way.
Hopefully.
See, no?
Yeah, at least if not today, at least by tomorrow.
Yeah.
But,
yeah. Alright, broskies, we're gonna call it a day right now because we ran out of fucking gas. My neighbor won't be home till fucking like midnight, so I'll get it tomorrow in the morning. So luckily it's Thursday, so we'll finish it up on tomorrow, Friday. So yeah, I'm gonna go fucking take a shower, and then we're gonna go to a fucking car show right now, which you will probably see in a different video. So fuck it. All right, broskies, it's Friday, it's the next day, and I have a little bit of bad news and some good news. So check it out. We weren't able to get the tank from my neighbor. He said he was gonna get it, but last minute, actually right now, I went to his house and he said that he couldn't get it till tomorrow, and tomorrow is the competition. So I don't know what the hell's gonna happen. I don't know if we're gonna be able to weld in the cage, so I don't know. But the good news is that I got a sick ass bucket seat. It's actually like a drag bucket seat. Check it out. Chingon. It's a Kirkley Racing. This shit is fucking dope, and I fit perfectly. I actually fit better than the Corbel seat. Check it out. All aluminum, lightweight, fucking beautiful, guys. And the guy gave me the brackets. I actually last night I picked up a planted bracket. So right now I think I'm gonna go to Home Depot and then get some bolts for this, just so I can make it fit pretty good. I have some random bolts right there, but I'd rather get some new ones and get the right size for them. So I'm just gonna wait for Christian, and then, or I'll probably go to Home Depot before he even gets here. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I'm a little bummed out that we couldn't get the gas for the welder. Valió madre. But we'll figure it out right now. I'll probably put a post on Instagram and see if anybody has a tank we can borrow. We just need a little bit, so we'll see what happens. Alright, broski, so we just got back from Home Depot. We got our bolts, nuts and bolts for our bucket seat, and our homie Diego came through with some welding gas, so we Gucci. We making it. Broskies, many days later, and we ended up not making it to the drift competition. Valió madre. We tried. If you guys follow me on Instagram, check it out. You guys know that we didn't make it, but we finished the roll bar. I'll tell you guys right now why we didn't make it, but the roll bar is done. Check it out, nice and tight. Chingon. Alright, broski, so the real reason why we didn't make it on Friday to the drift event was because we didn't have fucking sliders for my seats. So we tried putting that bucket seat, and the bucket seat was sitting so low that I couldn't even see. So Christian's like, fuck it, let's fabricate something. But it was already like 1 in the morning, and I was like, you know what, Christian, you know what? Let's not stress over it. Let's take our time. And yeah, we didn't make it. Well, I didn't make it. Either way, this Friday, the 27th, we're gonna be at Grange with the Rocket Boys, with the Rocket Garage. So Society Boys, all the Z boys, all the hot boys. My 350Z is ready for now. I'm gonna keep rocking the stock seats. They're fine. And one more thing that I forgot to mention is that we didn't do the door bar. I really didn't want to trash my door panel, so that was another reason why I didn't make it. But fuck it, for now I'm just gonna leave it like that. Maybe later on I'll do a full cage, but honestly on this car I don't want to do a full cage. I don't want to do a full track car, because then I'm gonna end up doing all that shit, and then nobody's gonna want to buy it, and then I'm gonna be stuck with it. So, and I don't want to get stuck with 2 drift cars. Remember, we're still building the troquita, so chill with that car. So I mean, for now we're just gonna leave the car like this. Probably I'm gonna order some I'm gonna order the sliders for the bucket seat, and then we'll install those later on. But yeah, let me open the trunk so you guys can see it from the back. Honestly, it came out pretty dope. Check it out, nice and snug on the sides. Check it out. See or no? Not bad, huh? Not bad, huh, broskis, for 200 bucks? Not even. On this one, as is, how it sits right now, I spent like 110 bucks. 110 bucks. Check it out for a roll bar. Chingon, huh? But yeah, the car's ready. It's all washed up. In a couple days, like I said, we're gonna be at Grange with the Rocket Boys, Rocket Garage. It is the 27th, Friday the 27th. So if you guys want to show up, cáiganle. I'll give you guys the ride-alongs. I'll have stickers, whatever. But yeah, I think that's it for today, broskis. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of the roll bar. Yeah.